Here's Paddy Driver, the TV1 Mazda. He comes through in fourth position at the end of the race. But a new lap record.
Listen, en in de week erin. Dit is een ongevallig voor de moderne van Paddy Driver. Die begint zullen staan voor op die inentap en die afgelopen voor het moderniseerde motor. Die motor is recht en als kijkt naar die bijsprong rooster, wil je hebben met Animal, die achter het volgens helemaal bang goed. Hier achter het eerste Rainbow en die Mazda RX-7.
Series BMW in the front there. You find the paramedics are travelling around the little 2-litre cadet. They just come into the picture there. There comes in now the paramedics in case there's any sort of problem on the first lap, and some of these circuit officials to see that these cars get away freely. It's a rolling start lap. This 3 Series BM will pull off the circuit, and the man who decides the pace of this field is in fact Tony Viola, just accelerating away there in the Winfield BM. It is Paddy Driver. 34 years in motor racing, Springbok, a South African motorcycle champion, off-road champion, and doing very well and very.
Alright, welcome back to Billy WS. And guys, for today's video and hopefully for the next coming week's video, I've got something super in store for you guys. Hope you will come along for the ride. But before we go on too wildly, I want to introduce you to something pretty awesome. I'm going to give you a couple of clues of what it is, and you can just comment below what you think it is in this stage of the video. So first clue is we recently acquired a Mazda RX-7 that was raced in a West Bank modified racing series back in the day. And second clue is this car was Duckham's liveried. So the purists out there already are jumping to two ways. There were two gentlemen who drove those Duckham cars, and which one do you guys think it is? Well, without going on too furthermore, I'm gonna tell you guys real quick. We have Paddy Driver's Mazda RX-7, and that's pretty cool. And I'm so stoked to share this with you guys. Unfortunately, this car's been sitting for probably 20 years, and it doesn't. Well, let me show you. Let me show you, because words won't do it any justice how knackered this thing is, and it's actually very saddening to see. And before everybody goes on a rant, this car is verified to be the A13 Mazda RX-7 Duckham's Paddy Driver car by a few sources. So we are so proud and honored to have this opportunity to build this car and restore it to its former glory. So without me going on too far long, let me show you guys what we've got to contend with. Ooh-wee. So you guys can see, thing is quite in a state of despair. But this is such an iconic car, guys. We need to save it. We need to save this thing, and we're going to. Trust me, we're going to. So someone, I won't call them names, tried to fit an engine sideways in here. Nah, I'm just kidding. No, just some stupid idiot that most probably tried to put a V8 in it, hoping that it would be more reliable. or make more power. But we rotary Okies, we know that's just daydreaming. And anyway, so we've got that to fix. Obviously, that's quite a big job for us to fix nice and proper and to get it to look like it should. And yeah, this was done by Paddy. Paddy did the modification on those strut towers. So yeah, as you guys can see from inside here, that's quite a big hole, you know. That's yeah, that's, you can go ice fishing, you can drop your rod down there. And then also we've got this massive hole here at the back. Probably this was a fuel cell in here at some stage, but that's a big hole. We're gonna fix that up. Then we've got a bit of body work, which isn't too bad, I must say. I've seen much worse than this, but yeah, just appreciate how pretty cool this thing is. Just show you how wide those rear tires are. Man, those things are like 15-inch wide, 14-inch wide. And this thing came with a set of BBS magnesium wheels. Paddy drove those wheels on his BMW back in the day, and the wheels just progressed along with the cars he raced. And yeah, so current date, this car is it's in this state, and we're going to do our utmost to get it to some point where we can have it in some racing form. So I'm going to document this quite extensively. Stuff like the cage, I'm going to do a couple of changes to the cage, and obviously the body work is going to be done back to the duck and scullers. So yeah, awesome thing this, guys, and I'm so glad I can share it with you all. And yeah, I don't really have words to describe how excited I am about this opportunity we've got. So this is for something else I'll show you in a little while, but that's another project we have. And yeah, just take it in. What an absolute honor. Look at that thing. What? Man, I'm so stoked to have this thing. I'm pretty chuffed. So, once in a lifetime thing, and you guys are gonna come along for the ride. So, please come along for a ride. It's not gonna happen too many times in both of our lives. So thank you guys for watching. Do appreciate it. Next time round, we start to get work done on this thing. So give some love to Paddy and to the West Bank Modified Racing Series. It's probably the best thing that happened in South Africa ever. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.